Hey Basshead! In my last video I unboxed the Dayton Audio Tactile Bass Shaker, but today I am going to install it on my couch and test it out to tell you whether you need it or maybe you don't need bass shaker. First, what is a tactile bass shaker? It's a speaker driver that doesn't create audible sound. If installed correctly, it's not heard, but you can only feel it, much like huge subwoofers that hit your chest. To install the bass shaker and test it, you need just a few things: a low-frequency sound output, which can easily come from your subwoofer output on amplifier, audio-video receiver or DAC. You will also need the amplifier that can produce at least 100 watts, and of course the bass shaker driver itself. Then you will need a chair, sofa or couch to mount it on. You might think that with such large speakers and so many subwoofers you don't need a bass shaker, but that's not true. A bass shaker can produce ultra-low frequencies below 20 Hz, and it plays them very powerful. To get the same feeling in your couch, you would have to spend thousands of dollars, while one bass shaker under $100 can do the job. With any system, whether stereo or home cinema, you get great sound and bass performance. But with a tactile bass shaker in these systems, it adds a new dimension these systems, because you can actually feel the drums or explosions in movies, not only hear like in traditional audio systems. And you don't need high sound levels to feel the bass, just turn on the bass shaker. It's also a neighbor-friendly solution because they don't hear it. I definitely love it. With the correct adjustment, your friends won't even notice and will think your system is that powerful. Just make sure to use a good couch or upgrade it with extra brackets like I did it. As always, I like to hear about your experience with tactile bass shakers. But now I wish you good sound.